My name is Keith Bloch. I work here at Bollinger Motors. My job here is a fabricator, welder, and placement of all the parts for body build on the B1 and B2. What I'm doing today was just a small redesign on some pumps that hang underneath the frame, and we figured we might want to beef them up because it is an all-terrain vehicle. Before we start with the actual body build on this, I'm just making sure that everything is retapped and all clearances are made. Then we'll pull it all apart and paint everything. This is the platform right behind me we're going to build off of. We're loading up with parts. We have vendors delivering every day. When we get done here in probably 2 months, we're going to roll off with a beautiful vehicle. Every single day when I come to work, it's something different. It makes my job easy because I do like what I do.